My name is Yona Wisdom, and this is a guide to Olympic diving. In competitive diving, we have 6 dive groups to choose from: forward, backward, reverse, inward, twist and arm stand. Over the next 10 weeks I'm going to take you through the ins and outs of all of these dive groups and also how they relate to myself. This is the most straightforward of all of the groups, literally. On both springboard and platform you use a hurdle or a run up to approach the end of the board. This allows us to build momentum and height before we even get into the air, meaning that we're able to do more difficult dives. Over the years, as springboards have developed and become more flexible, and divers in general have become stronger, the more difficult dives are more achievable for everyone, especially in this direction. One of the most groundbreaking dives in modern diving was the forward 4.5 tuck, which only a few special divers were able to complete successfully.
As he gets set to attempt a front 4.5 somersault.
It really is a spectacular dive.
He nailed it! He nailed it!
Now, everybody does it. Even some special female divers can do it, which was absolutely unthinkable 10 years ago. Even I've given it a go, which, taking my height into context, everyone thought was impossible. Now, one of the most difficult dives in the world is in this direction, the forward 4.5 pike. But this has already been mastered by Yang Jian when he scored the most points on a single dive in 2015 at the London leg of the World Series.
World record, forward 4.5. Yang, it's all yours.
Oh, you've done it! Yes!
Would you believe 123 points?
For me, my favourite dive comes in this direction. I mean, look at this. Let's hope I haven't jinxed myself. Any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll answer them as soon as possible. If not, thanks for watching and I'll see you next week.